Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video we will be learning how to change language in Palmon Survival game. To change your language in Palmon Survival, first thing to do is to launch open your Palmon Survival application on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open the Explorer info section where you need to click on Settings at the bottom. Inside Settings, tap on Language. Now, from the list of available language options, choose the one you like. Once you are done making the selection, you'll be able to change your display language in the game. Tap on the arrow at the bottom left and confirm the language change by clicking on Confirm. This will restart the game in your selected language for the interface. So that is how you easily change your display language in Palmon Survival game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.